Nestled in the quaint community of the villas at Kenton Place, this lovely 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom residence offers an open-concept design that flows seamlessly between the living room, dining room, and kitchen. The home features a large living room, 2 dining areas, and 0 carpet throughout for easy maintenance. The kitchen has plenty of countertop space and cabinets, and each like-new stainless steel appliance conveys. The massive owner's suite has a walk-in closet and leads to the ensuite, providing a great space for relaxation. Each room is unique to the home's layout, and you'll love the versatile sitting area in the front room, complete with a decorative octagon window. The large laundry room and pantry ensure that you have plenty of space to store all your household goods. There's also an additional storage room in the garage, and enjoy peaceful days in the serene backyard, complemented by a large patio and paved walkways, conveniently located near the medical center, USAA, as well as a short drive to UTSA and the shops at La Cantera and Six Flags Fiesta Texas.